In travel news for March 28, 2024, we talk about the effects of the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse on the cruise industry. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that makes travel so easy. Even a blind traveler like myself can do it. And now, today in travel. The collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, caused by a collision with a cargo ship, has prompted significant concerns regarding the impact on cruise travel. This incident, occurring in the early hours on March 26, has not only led to a human search and rescue operation, but also a halt in vessel traffic, affecting the cruise industry's operations out of the Port of Baltimore. With the suspension of port activities until further notice, the repercussions on both cruise lines and travelers are unfolding. The Port of Baltimore, a hub for at least 12 ships, making 115 stops in 2024, faces an unprecedented challenge. Notably, Carnival Cruise Line has relocated Carnival Legends operations to Norfolk, Virginia for the interim. This decision illustrates the cruise industry's adaptability, yet it signifies inconvenience for passengers and operational complexity for cruise lines. Royal Caribbean International and American Cruise Lines are also evaluating their upcoming sailings, with adjustments likely on the horizon. These shifts underscore the industry's broader efforts to navigate unforeseen disruptions while prioritizing passenger safety and compliance with regulatory guidelines. Carnival Cruise Line's proactive steps, including providing complimentary bus service from Norfolk to Baltimore, reflect a commitment to minimizing passenger inconvenience. The adjustments for the Carnival Legends sailings, alongside Royal Caribbean's exploration of alternatives for Vision of the Seas, represent a broader industry trend of swift response to logistical challenges. Meanwhile, American Cruise Lines maintains its schedule, underscoring the varied impacts on different operators. As the situation evolves, cruise lines are closely monitoring developments, ready to make further modifications as needed. Travelers booked on cruises out of Baltimore face potential adjustments to their plans, highlighting the importance of staying informed and flexible. The bridge collapse, beyond its immediate physical and emotional toll, serves as a reminder of the interconnected nature of travel infrastructures. Cruise passengers, especially those planning departures or returns through the affected port, are advised to contact their cruise lines or travel advisors for the latest updates and consider alternative travel arrangements as necessary. The collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge is a stark reminder of how unexpected events can have a widespread effect on travel plans, particularly within the cruise industry. The swift actions taken by cruise lines to accommodate changes reflect their dedication to passenger experience and safety. As the industry navigates this challenge, the resilience and adaptability demonstrated by both operators and travelers alike will be crucial. Looking ahead, the focus remains on recovery efforts and the eventual restoration of normal operations, with the hope that such incidences can be mitigated through continued vigilance and infrastructure improvements. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, it's our belief that everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.